A fastener is a hardware device that mechanically joins one or more objects together. That's simple. And we are going to try to check the difference between a screw, like this, and between a bolt or a stud. This is the typical bolts that we are going to use in different applications on engines, transmissions, the hex bolts or hexagonal bolts. It's because the head is an hexagonal, and those bolts are widely used in marine applications. We are going to use a lot of those bolts, marine grade. In the engine, internally in the engine, there are a lot of bolts, not necessarily marine grade, because internally in the engine, the environment is surrounded with oil, and the bolts are submerged in the oil, and they don't need to be marine grade. The wing nuts are not authorized in marine application. Too much people install the battery cable, the battery terminals with wing nuts. The wing nuts are not authorized. I think so that probably in small boats probably, but in medium and big boats no. But in general, the enemy in marine installations is the corrosion.
Absolutely. You gotta use the right hardware for the proper application.
You hear the right hardware according with the application. And depend where should be located the equipment, you need to select appropriate the material.
Absolutely.
The material, because we are working in a marine environment.
The marine environment is unforgiving.
Don't forget this in the future. In marine application, you need a stainless steel series 300. 304, 302, 316. All of those are accepted marine grade series stainless steel. And for the copper alloys is series 5000. Those are the alloys appropriate. We are going to review quickly. We have a threads metric and threads standard. In metric, both of them, they have a three digits. For correct. The specification. The first one, we are going to talk right now about metric. The first one is the diameter. The diameter, for example, this is metric, and is the diameter. This is the first digit. The second one is the distance in between two consecutive threads. And the last one is the length of the bolt. That's for metric. For a standard, like this, we are going to explain in the laboratory the procedure to repair threads. We are going to use the tabs and the dies. Right now we are going to talk about that. And we are going to insert helicoils.
Yeah, helicoils, you're going to tap and you're going to do a die. You guys are going to learn tools that you need.
Yes, my friend. You need to keep a good set of taps and dies. What is the difference between this?
Well, what could be the diameter and the thread type?
Correct. And the die is used to do the thread in a bolt. No?
To fix the thread in the bolt.
With the die.
Right.
This is a professional set.
This is a professional set.
It's for both of them, for metric and standard.
Oh, this does everything.
And for fine and coarse thread.
Stainless steel, and you can use for hard metal too. But
for hard metal.
But the black and gold is the strongest one.
Correct. It's clear, my friends. And other difference is in the point.
Yeah.
This one is for metals, and the other one with that point is for wood and plastic. Never use those drill bits in metals because you break your hand.
Yeah. It'll twist your wrist.
Be careful with that. That's dangerous.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, and the selection of the drill bits is critical. Once again, never use those drill bits in metals.
Yeah, you're not using a concrete drill bit.
Oh,
you gotta use the specific drill bits for the application. If you don't do that, you only create a problem for yourself.
Those are concrete drills. If we found one of those drill bits in your toolbox, we put on the garbage. We put on the garbage all the toolbox.